What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your host, Mark. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate every one of you guys for stopping by tonight. I'm recording a nice little late night video for you guys. I got my packages in from Supreme week 17. One more week and fall winter season is over. It's been a crazy season for Supreme. It's actually been slow for me the past few weeks. I haven't been buying as much as I would like, but who knows? It is what it is. I bought something in week 17. I have some packages here for you. I actually have two. We got some winter tees for you. I got some really nice t-shirts here to show you guys. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Slap a fat like on this video, and again, subscribe if you're new. And let's get straight up into it. So, like I said, we'll save the best for last. Actually, I don't know what's the best. Yeah, we'll save the best for last. That tee was fire, one of the best tees of the week. So we're gonna start here with this package here. I believe I got like it's three t-shirts here. I believe they're all part of the winter tees of last week. So let's see if we got any stickers in here. I always look for the stickers. Usually they throw the sticker packs. Let me see. Let's see what I got. I got some tees in there. Ooh, oh no. Did I order this? Yeah, I ordered another one of these. We got two stickers there. Just the traditional regular stickers. And I think that is it. There is no... Actually... Oh wow, they threw one in for free. Okay. We got a stay positive little pin. Stay positive button. I thought these... Oh, I know. They must have made this the free item for the week. You got a little pin here. I'm going to wear it. Stay positive. It was free. I didn't order this. But they put a stay positive Supreme in spirit little pin. Pretty cool. It looks like that was a free gift for the week. So that is that. Let me make sure there's any more goodies in there. But that is it. So the first item we grabbed, I'm just gonna put this away and see if I can, sell it after the season is over. It's the iPhone 11, the Supreme Camo. Got the green camo phone case, just a basic iPhone case. First tee we got for the winter tees. This is a size small, money size. We got that light purple and the blur tee. Got that blur tee right there. Pretty nice, not bad. The blur is in green. Just I don't know what exactly it is. Someone there. It says Supreme New York in green. There's like a guy and it's like all blurred out. But that's the first tee. Light purple, blur tee, size small. Everything here is for sale. If you see anything you like, just know. I always link my eBay down below, or you can just hit me up directly. This was a fire tee right here. Right here we got the bear tee. Look at that bear. Purple with that green. It says Supreme Protection from Suckers. That's a fire tee with the bear on it. Super fire, I believe. Okay, this is a large, so another decent size, not too bad. But this one here was the Supreme Bear tee. Super nice. Okay, the last tee in this package, another small. This was, okay, I think this was called the No More Shit tee. It's just a Supreme logo right there. And then up in the screen, if I could find a picture, I'll put a picture of what the t-shirt looks like, front and back. But yeah, this was the Supreme No More SHIT t-shirt. That is that. We got another package here. This was my favorite tee of the week. We're gonna crack it open because this was, in my opinion, the best tee of the week. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna go over this together. Let's see if we got another pin in here, because it seems like those were free. They took them off the site as well. So, ooh, yes, this is what I'm talking about. We got the Mariah Carey right there, and I don't know what that is. She's got like some holiday Christmas thing. The Mariah Carey. We got the Supreme. We got another sticker there, and we got a black Stay Positive pin and two more stickers. So I'm really happy because I got two free pins. Really, really nice. Two free pins. Stay positive everywhere you go. I'm gonna wear one of those pins for sure. And I got to Supreme Merry Christmas, baby, EXO, Mariah Carey, whatever, blah, blah, blah. That's what it says on the back there. There's Mariah Carey, Supreme, and another sticker. So those were that was part of the stickers. That's it. Now we have to show you guys the tea, right? What are we doing here? We got to show you the Mariah Carey. All right, here it is. Tea of the week in a size large. The Mariah Carey Merry Christmas t-shirt. T-shirt of the week, super fire. Photo t-shirt, Mariah Carey, super dope artist, really good voice. And yeah, that was the Mariah Carey tee. Week 17 in the books. Really nice t-shirt. I showed you all the tees. I got the stickers here. I got the free gift, the pins. Stay positive. You know, I want to share a little positivity to you guys, so make sure you guys are all staying positive as well. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This was a short video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, but get money. Peace out, Mercado Nation.